You've made it through the first course, but your journey with Python is just heating up. In our next course, my friend and colleague Roger is going to be your instructor as you learn how Python interacts with the operating system. You'll build on all the skills you learned here, and your programming is going to get a little more sophisticated. Hey Roger, so what can learners expect from the next course?
Hey Christine, and hello to all the learners out there. I'm super excited about the next course. We're going to cover how to set up your own developer environment in Python, and in no time, you'll start feeling comfortable using code to interact with the system. We'll also manipulate files and processes running on the OS, and dive into regex, which is a super powerful tool for processing text files. You're even going to write a script that might be similar to a task you'd be assigned at your job. But personally, my favorite part of the whole course is definitely where we talk about the Linux OS. And it's not because it's the primary OS I use in my job. Linux opens up a whole world of customization and configuration, and I find it really interesting. We've got a lot of powerful and fun concepts coming up, so don't miss out. I'll see you over in the next course.
Thanks, Roger. And thank you, every one of you, for tuning in and hanging with me in this course. I'm not crying, you're crying. Bye for now.